Alright, guys, ready? Let's do this.
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep beep like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe!
Throw your hands up, then point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now, and beep beep like a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, you got to beep beep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, you got to beep beep. I said beep beep like a sheep.
Yeah, so, you know how to beep beep like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do?
Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Drop to the floor and move from side to side. Just bounce around, come on, I'll show you how. I go crazy now, meow meow like a cow. Beep beep, you got to beep beep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, you got to beep beep. I said beep beep like a sheep.
My God, dude. Alright. Well, that's the video. Oh my God, bro. What the fuck? Okay, that was the whole video, dude. Okay, so welcome to part 3. You guys might be wondering, why did it take you so long to make a part 3? Well, first off, there's no songs. This might be the worst one by far, but and you know, like a threequel, is it what they call it? A threequel turns bad immediately inside movies. So, you know, like it is what it is though, but I mean, this might be not the best video, but you know, the boy kind of getting a little tired of this, a little bit. But if y'all want to see a part 4, I mean, y'all, we can. But you know what? Nah. This is part 3 and 4. What y'all gonna do about it? Y'all in for a treat. Take it away, chicken. Oh, y'all thought it was over. No, it's not. Take it away, chicken. Here we go. try it. You're catching on.
Okay, y'all wasn't ready for that, by the way. Y'all wasn't ready for that. Oh my god, okay. That was like more interesting than I thought. Alright. Now this is actually the real outro right here. Alright, no troll shit or anything like that. But we're gonna sit down real quick. I've never sat down in any of these videos before, but y'all in for a treat. So, what y'all saw there was part 3 and part 4. This is all in the same day. This is going to be really suck to edit, but it is what it is. I gave y'all guys a treat. Sorry I haven't uploaded another part to this in like 3 months. Crazy. But honestly, this honestly might be like a 2-song part right here. If you guys don't like it, I totally agree. I don't know why I did this, but I did it anyway. So yeah, we're gonna put this into a 2-man part. We're gonna put it into a 2-part video, just for y'all guys. See how y'all like it. Y'all know y'all exploded with that part 2 video. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Yeah, that shit is crazy. How the fuck did y'all do that? But yeah, honestly, I will do more of this. I really do. This shit was very enjoyable to do, honestly. Even though the video I looked like I need help, but chicken got it, so yeah, you know, that shit was tough, like low key. Oh my god. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys are watching, plenty of other videos you can watch. There's gonna be one that's like going to be like 2 videos right here, one right here, one right here, I guess, I don't know, and then my channel icon right here, I don't know. But yeah, if you go, hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I think I already said that already, but and yeah, get me up to 500 subscribers. We need to get to 500 subscribers. I really hope so. It's gonna be a long run. We only have like 200 more subscribers to go, or 100 something subscribers left. I don't know, but hope you guys thank you for watching. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Thank you. Good